Today's a big day, you know what I'm saying? Mid-muffler delete, boy! Let's get this shit cracking. Sad ass news, bro. I'm at the exhaust shop. And they're telling me they can't get this until 11. I have to go to work at 9:45, not work out of States. So I won't be back till next week. Your boy's not gonna see this reaction till next week. Oh, fuck. Y'all can just see this right now. Y'all lucky as hell. Till I come back from work next week, bruh.
I'm on the road to work already. I'm driving to work.
It's Nick Sirianni,
the mechanic
knowing what Vic Fangio wants from a
you sure you want to cut those
understanding
off?
the plays.
It's a boiler exhaust
that will get his scheme,
said,
that will be versatile, that can make
2,000 years later.
Alright, we back in town. You know what time it is. Alright, here's that Borla with that mid-muffler delete. Right now, -10. Feels like -21. What the fuck? -8, and this is the old Jeep temp, bro. This shit off, bro. Actual -10 feels like -21. All right, here we go. Full throttle. No fucking raspiness. Zero raspiness. Because you got a Borla with a mid-muffler. They're tweaking. That shit sounds sexy.
Why are you gay?
Who says I'm gay?
You are gay.
Yeah, they ain't got nothing on that shit, boy. Yeah, they didn't want none of that shit. Come on, man. They didn't want none of that 6-1 action, bro. Nah, this exhaust sounds fire, though. It's because the Borla. It still sounds like the Borla, but she pitching, you know what I'm saying? I love this exhaust. I love this shit. This exhaust is therapy, bro. Hey, come on now. That sounded pretty sexy. Hey, that sounded pretty. Let's do a little takeout, a little 0 to 60. See how she sound when she take. Hey, let's do it. There's that Borla. There's the Borla. Old fucking Borla. Just like 40 pounds. Alrighty, that's all for this video, boys. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if that mid-muffler delete and that Borla exhaust sound better. Hey, I think it sounds 10 times better, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned though, obviously down the road before the supercharger and all that shit. I'm about to upgrade the exhaust, but it's just for now, you know what I'm saying? It's for now, you know what I'm saying? If you stayed this long in the video, go check all my other bangers out. I've been making bangers after bangers. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for that Pippa Tails ride. You know what I'm saying?
Shutty them get wild shit. They don't fuck around shit. Sending niggas up when we blicking niggas down. I ain't answer when she called. I was busy double pounds. Out of traffic with my dogs. They want blood. I'm a hound.